Guys, today I'll be showing you how I package my squishies. So this is what you need. You need a plastic zip bag, pen or anything to write your tag or something, paper. I have this paper so I can make it like this. And you need a squishy. I'm going to be using this donut with frosting and a little swirl. I'm sorry about the background, it's a mess. And you need tape. Clear tape is the best. You can use any tape, but clear tape works best. Oh yeah, and scissors. So first you're going to be grabbing your plastic baggie and cutting it. About that much, and make sure to measure your squishy how much you're gonna cut. Let me do it. So you can see I cut my my plastic wrap, and you gotta just tape this way and that way. So that's about enough, and I just gotta make sure the tag fits. Good. Now you just tape the end and leave this part open, and I'll show you. So this is what you do. So you have these two openings. So you're gonna grab your tape, measure about how much tape you want. About that much here to get a full length, so you won't get messed up. So make sure you don't have any air bubbles. You can see you can't really see the tape, but let me tape that. So now I taped that edge. Now you just have this opening. I taped that part. Now what you're gonna do is put your squishy in, and you're gonna tape this part. So now you're gonna have this part, which doesn't fall off. Now we're gonna go on with the tag. So you're gonna need a paper that might fit that, the same size as that. So what you're gonna do is fold it. So you fold it in half. So you just put the name of your squishy like this, and you put a picture or whatever, and you put the tag. Let me do that, and I'll show you in just a minute. So after you made your tag, this is how mine came out. So I spelled right here, this is a homemade squishy created by Susie, which is me, and I love to craft over there. And this is the front, this donut, and there's a smiley face like this. So yeah, let me get the squishy, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it on top of this, like that, and grab a piece of tape. Grab a piece of tape like that, and you're gonna grab your scissors and cut that piece of tape in half, so you can have like tiny pieces. So you have this thin piece of tape. Now you're gonna grab one piece, and you're gonna put it on top like that. And then you're gonna do that to the back with the other little piece of tape. If you have the thin tape, then that's perfect. And if you don't, then that's fine. Now you're gonna grab your tape again and take a big piece so it can cover that up and seal that. So I'm gonna grab a tape. So there I go. So I just put it on top of the tag, seal it so it can be shiny, and I'm gonna do that to this front too. So after, this should look really shiny, if you can see. And there you have it. You packaged your squishy, just like this. I made this macaroon, and this is the donut. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And that's it. Bye.